everyone, welcome at my channel Tram Fan, and I already want to thank you for all the likes, the views and subscriptions from the past few weeks and months. I'm in my car because I'm on the way to a special event in Antwerp and it's all about trams. What it is, you have to keep on watching. Today is a special occasion because today the Antwerp Tram and Bus Museum is reopening its door after 9 years. They had 9 years to renovate this place. So today is the official reopening of the museum in Antwerp. You find it at Groenenhoek, Belgium. I'm going to get in line to go inside of this building. It's, by the way, a classified building. It's built in 1912 as a tram depot. 1 year later they use it as a tram depot. 142 axles cars were stored inside, and later on in 1965 they rearranged the tracks because of the new PCC trams that decade who were coming to Antwerp. It was a tram depot for a long time, and in 1996 they had an official classification as a historical important building because it's the only type of tram depot you find in Belgium and Europe. No other depot existing anymore in this style, so it's very important that they classified this building, of course. In 1997 the depot officially went out of use. They had a new tram depot in the north of Antwerp, tram depot Paul. It's where I work as a tram driver. And on October 21, 1998, the board of direction of the line decided to use this tram depot, the old tram depot, as the new tram museum. On July 2000, the entire collection of the former museum in Edegem was transported to this depot, and the next year, on May the 5th, the museum was officially opened by former Minister for Public Transport, Steve Stevaart. And finally, on the 3rd October 2010, they decided to close the museum for urgent renovation works, especially the roof. And so now, after 9 years, the museum finally reopens for the public and we go inside. But before we go inside, I want to say one thing. If you like my channel, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And if you subscribe, also click the bell button beside it, because every time I upload a new video, you get a warning when the video is online. And also, if you like this video, please click on the like button. I appreciate it. And second of all, it will help my YouTube channel to grow and to do more things in the future about trams. So now get in line and hopefully we are inside the building very soon.
Ja. Oké.
So this was the opening of the Tram Museum in Antwerp, and you find the Tram Museum at the Groenenhoek in Belgium, Antwerp. I'm gonna put the link to the website of VlaTam, that's the organization who runs this place. I'm gonna put a link in the descriptions to VlaTam, so you can find everything. You can rent trams for special events and whatever. You definitely have to visit this place. It's so beautiful, such original trams and buses. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, and if you like my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell.